NASA wants to send humans to Mars. But are we fully prepared? Let's talk about it. Our scientists have discovered ways to keep humans alive using advanced technology. But there are still many challenges and uncertainties about this red planet. There's one phenomenon on Mars that even NASA fears to this day. But before we talk about this specific issue, we need to understand why NASA and other space agencies are spending billions of dollars to reach Mars in the first place. As we all know, Earth's natural resources are slowly running out. Glaciers are melting, rivers are drying up, and living near the equator is becoming increasingly difficult. According to estimates, by the year 2100, even if we control the greenhouse effect, Earth will still lose a significant portion of its glaciers due to rising temperatures. Besides all this, if a major disaster strikes Earth, like a pandemic, nuclear war, or an asteroid impact, human civilization, like the dinosaurs, could be wiped out, and humanity might not get another chance. That's why scientists are looking for a second home, and that second home could be Mars. By 2050, humans intend to establish a colony there. Why Mars? So why did science choose Mars to colonize humans? According to scientists, Mars shares some similarities with Earth. A day on Mars, called a sol, is 24.6 hours, very close to Earth's 24 hours. Mars has polar ice caps that contain frozen water and carbon dioxide. It also has seasons due to its tilted axis. There are mountains, valleys, and deserts, just like Earth. Now you might be thinking, it's a perfect planet to live on. But you're wrong. Mars has very low oxygen in its atmosphere. It's a cold planet with an average surface temperature of around -80 degrees Fahrenheit, and it has lower gravity than Earth. So how will scientists overcome these problems? Low oxygen. Mars' atmosphere is 95% carbon dioxide with very little oxygen. At first, astronauts will bring oxygen supplies from Earth. Then, they'll use machines like MOXIE on the Perseverance rover to convert carbon dioxide into oxygen and extract oxygen from water through electrolysis. Frozen water. Water will be obtained by drilling beneath the surface and melting the ice using solar or nuclear energy. Food production. Mars has infertile soil, no liquid water on the surface, and no suitable atmosphere for farming. To solve this, scientists will use greenhouses, controlled environment chambers with artificial atmosphere, and filtered sunlight to grow food. They'll also use hydroponics and aeroponics, which means growing food in water or in air without soil. Harmful solar and cosmic radiation. Mars has no magnetic field and a very thin atmosphere, which means astronauts are exposed to UV rays and cosmic radiation. This can cause cancer, cell damage, and can harm electronics and solar panels over time. To protect against this, bases will be built underground or inside Martian caves. Special radiation shielding suits and materials will be used. Scientists are even researching artificial magnetic fields for long-term protection. Power supply. All of these solutions need electricity. Solar panels will be the primary source, but during low-light conditions, batteries will store energy. For a more reliable backup, NASA has developed the Kilopower project, a small nuclear reactor to provide stable power, especially in the early stages of colonization. But even after solving all this, there's still one major threat that NASA fears: dust storms. On July 7, 2003, NASA sent a rover to Mars. It landed on January 25, 2004. The mission was planned to last only 90 days, but the rover, named Opportunity, kept working for 15 years. But in June 2018, NASA faced a major challenge: a massive dust storm. Due to Mars' thin atmosphere, dust storms happen frequently. But unlike Earth, they aren't limited to one city or region. They can cover the entire planet. The dust stays suspended in the air for months, blocking sunlight and causing complete darkness. During the 2018 storm, Opportunity's solar panels couldn't charge its batteries. NASA lost contact and tried for months to reconnect. But the rover sent its final signal, a message that touched millions around the world. My battery is low, and it's getting dark. In 2019, NASA officially declared the end of the mission. If you enjoyed this video, please like, support, and follow for more.